Hey everyone, hope y'all are doing well. Hope everyone's staying safe out there. So the lock I have here is a KABA Gemini. This one is branded Lori KABA. They also come in a few other dual branded forms like Dorma KABA and God, I can't remember any of them right now. But for some reason the Geminis seem to always be double branded. This one is a very low pin count Gemini. It's got room for either 16 or 17 pins, but I think there's only 8 in there. And the top one, I actually screwed up and lost the driver and spring for that. This lock was actually lent to me by Hipu Picks, and I picked it open one time, forgot to lock it back up, and the core rotated around 180 and the driver pin dropped into the core, and so did the spring, and it fell out. I couldn't find it anywhere, so hopefully I'm gonna be able to replace that before I give this back to him, but I don't know. Hopefully that works out, but if not, sorry buddy. I'll make it up to you some other way. Must have overset something while I was messing around in there. Whoop, there we go. Alright, well, these locks are definitely a pain to get apart. Actually, that's understating it. They are a complete asshole to get apart. So, because there are so many tiny springs and all that good stuff, I'm gonna try something I haven't tried before. I'm gonna see if I can take this thing apart in a plastic bag to try to limit any loss of springs or pins that might decide to happen. But we will see. Tweezers. Where are my tweezers? Right here. Okay. Oh, well, this being a KABA, I can definitely lock it back up. So, that is open, you can see that. Oh, son of a bitch. I just fucked up. So this is what happened the first time. If bunch of drivers fell down into the key pin chamber. Yeah, there's no way I can recover from this. I'm going to have to take those out first. Damn it. There's the spring. And a driver pin from one. I'll take it apart. I should have locked it back up immediately. That's how I fucked up last time. But, oh well, shit happens. Maybe I won't be taking it apart in a plastic bag since I'm already going to have one side of it gutted. I'll just go ahead and gut the other side. Now, this does not have a key, so it really doesn't matter which way I put everything back. But the chambers are, the chambers are balanced, so I will do my best to balance them when I put this thing back together. Okay. Let's see. I got a smaller pick out here to help me take this thing apart. Well, help me dig the springs out of the back. Hopefully. And another driver pin. There's another driver pin and one of the springs. Another spring coming out the front there. Don't worry, that one was already mangled. And is that it? Looks like there's another driver in there, but I don't see a spring. Maybe the last one didn't come out fully. Okay, well, there, I'll relock it. Alright, so now we've got this thing. I hate these dimple lock cores that have the sleeves on them. Well, it makes it easier to gut these high pin count dimple locks, but they're still a pain in the ass in their own right. So with this one, you gotta pry this little crimped bit up and out of there. And then we start sliding this off, which we're gonna first dump the key pin that is up top that now does not have a driver or a spring. That we genuinely don't care about very much. Come on. There it goes. Alright. Now I guess I'll get the last pin on this side. Okay. Got key pin. Let's see where that spring is. It's probably up. Let me get something to make that a little easier. Spring. At least we know that one goes in number 4. And there is the driver and key pin that should be falling out of there right now. There we go. Driver, key pin. And now we've got the one from chamber 2. It's the key pin from 2. And then the key pin from 1. And the key pin from 3. Okay. And by the length of the key pins, I should be able to balance out those drivers again. So it's actually, they look like they're in pretty good order. I'll double check them, but I think we're good there. So now, put the sleeve back, rotate it all the way around. And that is number 3. Come on. Wow. Go back a little bit. Doesn't want to. Okay. Guess we'll do 1 first. There's the spring. And let's do the spring out of 2. Oops. Come on. Please get out of there without popping off of my face. There we go. Oh, great. I got wrapped around there somehow. Okay, so that spring's fucked, but I'll fix it. Oh, great. Now number 2 is not going to want to come out. There it goes. Oh, come on. driver, and the key pin is being stubborn. There it goes. Driver and key pin from 2. There's the driver from 1. Jesus. Just come out of there. There it goes. And then we will work on 3. Right there. Again, the key pin does not want to come out of there. Man, these things are stubborn. There it goes. Driver and key pin from 3. Okay. So, KABA pins are usually pretty cool. The drivers tend to have little T elements on them. Like you can see there how it's stepped down at the bottom. Means you got to pick them more than once. And the key pins look really cool. You got like torpedo style ones like this with that extra little ridge on it. And then you've got ones like this that actually have like a spool up top. This is another one that's kind of that spool shape. They're super neat. These things are definitely prone to oversets, and that's why you get key pins like that. But then all the drivers have these little steps in them. But yeah, there you go. So there's the low pin count KABA Gemini for you. Alright all, thanks a lot. Sorry for the super long video, but that was a crazy gutting. Anyway, take care. See you on the next one. Bye all.